Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Friends, today we're checking out the brand new Huawei Pura X Max Collector's Edition. And right from the start, the unboxing experience feels super premium. The packaging looks incredibly luxurious this time around. Huawei has gone with a shiny gold box wrapped in a leather-style outer finish, giving it a very high-end presentation. As soon as we open it up, we get the orange color variant inside. The phone has this wide horizontal folding design that instantly reminds me of the MatePad Mini. In hand, the size feels really comfortable and compact. Inside the box, underneath the phone, Huawei includes a 66-watt USB-C charger along with the charging adapter. We also get a semi-transparent hard case that has a partially enclosed design, offering decent protection while still showing off the phone's look. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content. So here it is, the orange Huawei Pura X Max Collector's Edition. Under different lighting, you can clearly notice Huawei continuing the signature three-tone styling from the earlier Pura X. The upper section uses a clean, solid finish, the middle area features vertical textured lines, while the right side has a horizontal striped pattern. It gives the phone a very unique personality. One thing Huawei has really pushed this generation is the foldable form factor. The Pura X Max feels noticeably thicker in hand, even chunkier than older Oppo Find N devices like the N1 and N2. But honestly, it gives the phone a very cool and solid feel. A lot of people around me are already using the Pura X series, and after talking with them about their experience, most of them agree that the screen proportions are extremely practical and enjoyable to use. Taking a closer look around the frame, the glossy metal finish definitely looks premium, although it still tends to collect fingerprints pretty easily. As for specs, this particular model comes with 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage, powered by Huawei's Kirin 9030 Pro chipset. Now moving to the display, Huawei is still using a 120Hz refresh rate here, similar to the Pura 90 series. Huawei seems to be sticking with 120 Hz for most of its devices, instead of chasing ultra-high refresh rates for now. Since this is part of the Pura X lineup, the unfolded experience is a big part of the story. Once opened, it really starts to feel like a mini tablet, very close in size and shape to the MatePad Mini, although slightly smaller overall. When you hold it normally, it feels surprisingly natural and comfortable. Next, let's talk about the crease. Under direct lighting from above, you can still spot the fold line, but when you run your finger across it, it's barely noticeable. Honestly, Huawei has done a pretty good job controlling the crease on this device. The biggest highlight of the Pura X Max is definitely the size and screen ratio once unfolded. The tablet-like proportions make it stand out, and I genuinely think this could become a huge bestseller. Overall, the build quality feels excellent. Looking at the software layout, the default home screen currently uses a 4x5 icon arrangement. Because of that, the icons appear a little too spread out. I checked through the settings, and at the moment, there doesn't seem to be an option to change the screen ratio or icon grid in portrait mode. Hopefully, Huawei improves this later with an update, maybe moving to something like a 5x8 layout to make the interface feel more dense and productivity-focused. Interestingly, when you rotate the device into landscape mode, the layout automatically changes to 5x8, and it instantly feels much more productive. So hopefully Huawei brings that same optimization to portrait mode soon, because right now it can feel slightly empty. For cameras, Huawei continues using a triple camera setup with a main lens, telephoto lens, and ultra-wide camera. The telephoto sensor offers 3.5x optical zoom with an 84mm focal length. That's basically my quick hands-on experience with the Huawei Pura X Max Collector's Edition. Overall, I think the quality is on another level compared to the first generation Pura X, especially when it comes to the display proportions and overall design. I feel like a lot of users are really going to enjoy this foldable style. It's compact, thick, and feels almost like carrying a small book in your hand. Huawei has also added support for the M Pencil 3, which makes the Pura X Max even more useful as a digital notebook. Let's quickly check it out. The stylus itself looks really nice and includes 2 physical buttons. For charging, you simply flip it open to access the USB-C port. And that wraps up this Huawei Pura X Max Collector's Edition unboxing and hands-on review. The starting price in China for the base variant is 12,999 yuan, which is roughly 1,412 pounds in the UK and around $1,905 in the USA. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.